Keeping your Pioneer Xumo TV updated is crucial for optimal performance, security, and access to the latest features. Updates enhance OS stability, add new functionalities, and fix bugs. As of September 2025, updates improve streaming app compatibility with Netflix, Hulu, and Disney Plus, enhance voice control through Google Assistant, and bolster support for 4K HDR content. Most models support automatic over-the-air updates. To manually check, navigate to Settings, then System Update, and select Check for Update. Ensure your TV is connected to Wi-Fi and has at least 2 gigabytes of free storage. Download and install any available updates, rebooting if prompted. Rebooting your Pioneer Xumo TV can resolve glitches like app crashes and streaming lags. A soft reboot can be performed using the power button on your remote or through the Settings menu by navigating to Settings, then System, then Restart. A hard reboot involves unplugging your TV from the power outlet for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. This method is useful for more stubborn issues. Regular reboots clear temporary cache without erasing your personal data. In newer models, preventive reboots are becoming automated using AI-driven updates to minimize disruption. If problems persist after updating and rebooting, consult Pioneer's official website or app for further assistance.